Hello everyone, it's Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got episode lifts and levels. This one's going to be, this is for the Dodge people out there, or the Ram people I should say. This is going to be a Zone 2-inch Adventure Series is what they call this one. It's basically a really nice leveling kit is what it is. It's going to lift the front 2 inches provided by these front strut spacers, and then it's pretty much going to top it off with Zone's heavy duty boxed upper control arms. And these things really are pretty massive, super strong, and they'll help handle the increased ball joint angle better than the factory arms. So this is a really nice option for guys who want to level their Ram 1500 and kind of beef it up at the same time. There's really not much to this kit, as you can see, so it should be a pretty straightforward install. Some hardware, spacers, control arms, and you're good to go. Hello everyone. So we got the Zone. This is the 2-inch Adventure Series kit installed on the truck here, and as we showed it on the bench before, it's really just an upper strut spacer and then the new upper control arms. So there's really not much to look at here. You couldn't even honestly tell that it has been installed, but obviously the only thing you really see is the new upper control arms here and the strut spacers up here at home, and you don't really see it. So everything's installed, and we're going to go ahead and get it back on the ground and then have it aligned, and she'll be all done. Also, one thing to remember is you're going to want to grease these ball joints here on the upper control arm. You see they have a grease zerk here and everything ready to go, so just want to make sure you're going to grease those. Signing off.